reminded always at the beginning to set our purpose. The purpose of this gathering is to demonstrate I am what I am. That's the demonstration. Who is this guy and why would I want to pay any attention to him? You can't get around it. You have to demonstrate that you are who you are. I mean, you have to be free. You have to be yourself, whatever that is. You have to demonstrate that you're not bound by the laws of the world. That's a demonstration. That's a personal action in you. What am I doing? I'm demonstrating my inherent capacity to transcend the illusion of body identity. Anybody can do it. Anybody, people, anybody can do this. Anybody can do what? Demonstrate its own unreality. Why do I need a demonstration? Because I'm tired of hearing the concepts. I'm tired of the philosophy. I'm tired of it. I'm ready for the real thing. How about you? I've been ready for the real thing for a very long time.
Yes.
Okay. The real thing is going to involve a demonstration which witnesses to the power of your mind individually to change the circumstances of your individual dilemma. Now, yeah, obviously you have a dilemma. You're seeing things that aren't there. That's a dilemma. Are you still seeing other bodies? Look around. Okay, you have a dilemma. You immediately need help. You need the influence, and now this is where I come in. If I'm anything, you need the influence of one who understands the mechanics of dreaming consciousness. I understand perfectly well the mechanics of your dream state. I know how it works, in other words. I know exactly how it works. That's why I can help you. I can show you, first of all, that it comes to nothing. The identity, that one right there, the one that you've established for yourself in time. I'm demonstrating it. I'm this guy, Josh. Who is Josh? This is what I am. I'm a demonstration of the unreality of my own form identity. Now, why would I need to do that? Because it isn't real. It isn't real. And up until now, I've had a lot of investment in it, haven't I? Yes or no? I'm invested in the body idea. I must be, because it keeps reappearing. All right. I need someone to come along and tell me there is something else you can invest yourself in. There's another way of being. Communication is what we call that. And that's where I come in. You say, I have become by grace a form of the alternative to form. I have become that by grace.
Oh.
It happens to everyone. It's inevitable. If anything, I'm just an accelerating influence. And influence is a good word. I'm just influencing you. Your exposure to this is influencing, accelerating thereby. Yeah. If you can use me, I don't care. You know, I have no understanding of why it is that some respond and some don't. I have no understand. I don't understand that, except that those that respond are obviously given to me. They're mine. They belong to me. They're my own. That's why when this goes out there, who responds to it is not my concern. Those that respond to it will be those who can respond to it, who recognize it through this, through me. Right here. This is only one vehicle. There are vehicles everywhere. Obviously, this is the Great Awakening. There are vehicles everywhere. I'm just playing my little part in the Great Awakening. Here I am. I'm sitting here, and I'm offering you my certainty that the dream is over. God's will is done. That's essentially all I have to say. It's been said before. Yes, but not with so much feeling. I got a lot of feeling. In other words, I mean it when I say it. I got a lot of bottom in it. In fact, I've got... That's just a taste of my bottom. Isn't that somebody else? There is nobody else. That's the whole point. That's my presentation to you. There is no one else. One identity in time is all identity in time. They're all equally and totally untrue. Now, how can I serve you, bitches? Yeah. I'm just being myself. You don't like it? Go to another channel. I don't give a fuck. What do I care? There's channels everywhere. What channel are you? The Dick Channel. What do you want me to tell you? Well Hung. That's the name of my series. That's actually the name of the series. I hate you. You got a problem with that? Go to another channel. Maybe you want the Hallmark Channel. Or you want a little... This is funny. No, I want a little more tenderness in my approach. Okay? There's plenty of that out there. You don't need me for that. I start out good, don't I? I really start out good, but then I become myself. I try really hard. But then it just degenerates into me being me. What the hell is wrong with that? I am me. I'm not afraid to be myself. You think I'm afraid to be me? So as I was saying, you think anyone's gonna get this out there? I don't trust him. He's wearing a cowboy hat and sunglasses. Fuck you. Perhaps you're looking for the cartoon channel. I don't know. That's what this would be. I'm a cartoon. It's my whole teaching. I'm just a fucking cartoon. I'm a drawing in your mind. I love you. Who drew me? You did that. Remember that Bugs Bunny cartoon? It's my favorite where he draws himself. That's what this is. It's a lot of light around here. We don't know what to do with it, so we're going to put it out there and see what happens. We figure that it's time. They tell me it's 11:11. Is the gateway open? 2012 is approaching. Everyone's excited about. Well, okay, this is a safe time for me to come out of hiding, I guess. Ta-da! I'm here. I brought my horses with me. I got 7 horsemen. Isn't that what I was told? I was told to bring 7 horses. That's what they told me. Yeah, make sure you have 7. Does it have to be 7? Yes, it has to be 7. Can't be 8 or 9. No. 7.
I love you.
All right. You got 7. That's Charlie Brown. That's Charlie Brown. Talk about cartoons, that's Charlie Brown. We really do well trying to hold it together, you see, because most of us see the joke immediately. We can't even pretend that it's real. But we try. We're trying that. All right. You think any of this will end up on the page? How do I look? You know I pay attention to everything you do. I think that's good. Thank you, my friend. We'll close it there. I love you. Thank you. Namaste.